Alright, good morning. Such a beautiful day today. What's the plan? We're going to Longs Peak. We're going to ride our bikes to Longs Peak. Try to take as many trails as possible. So I'm on my way to LYONS, taking as many mountain bike trails as I know, interconnecting them all. So I'm on like left-hand trail, I think. We're going to go to JODER Ranch. Never been there. And then from there we'll pick up HEIL Valley Ranch System and get that to LYONS. Once in LYONS, we're going to get some coffee, refuel on water. And then there's a 4,000-foot road climb to Allen's Park, and then we'll camp somewhere around there. Get up super early and hook it on the trail. That's about it. Sounds like fun to me. Yeah, should be good. I've never done Longs Peak by bike in January. Not many people have. Maybe one, and surprising, at least to me, it's not me. So we're going to rectify that situation right now. Yeah, I've been really holding out for this weather window. That's so beautiful. As long as it's not windy on the peak, I should have a pretty good chance of making it to Longs Peak. So yeah, wish me luck, and let's get out of here. Sounds good to me. Alright, made to LYONS. The weather is so nice. I'm actually overdressed right now. I don't quite know what to do about that. So route was good. Let's see, what's called Boulder Valley. What was I calling it? Left-hand trail. It does allow you to miss a lot of the highway, which is great. And then the JODER Ranch Trail is like 2 miles long, but it's super convenient to get to HEIL. And then HEIL was actually really great. I thought I was gonna really suffer and do a lot of hiking biking, but no, had a great time. Almost no snow on the trail, couldn't believe it. No mud either, so just a little wet, I guess. I don't know. It's so beautiful. There's just a couple people on it because, you know, it's work day. So I'm ahead of schedule, I think, and I'm just gonna plug in some tunes and pedal up the 4,000 feet of hill I've got to get to Allen's Park. And then, I mean, it'll be about dark by then. And then find a place to sleep and make my bed. Should be pretty cold tonight, around freezing for sure. I have a ton of sleeping bag in here, so I should be fine. Yeah, jonesing on some coffee, feel great. So let's just keep going. Alright, good evening. So, yeah, I made my bivvy, here we are. Right up here was really nice. You know, nothing, no surprises. It's just a long way up. It's like 4,000 feet of paved climbing. So nice change, nice contrast from the beginning of the day when it was all on single track basically. So yeah, plan is right now to just get a few hours of sleep, get up early, and charge for the KEYHOLE. Yeah, I feel super warm. So I think my sleep quality of sleep is going to be really good today. I'm psyched. I might be too warm. One can dream. Yeah, gonna go to sleep now. So see you in the morning. Late. Here we go, yeah, just hiking up the trail. Started around 4:30, got up at 3:30. Kinda late, but there's not much for me to do. If I'm up too high, it's too cold because there's no sun. Might as well just stay down here until we get a beautiful sunrise. Conditions are awesome, nice and clear, nice and calm. Looking good. All right, let's go. All right, sunrise time. Woo. Quite pretty. Some of these wind bursts are kind of strong. Yeah, I'm cold. It's cold. Quite pretty though, so we're gonna keep going. Woo! All right, at the KEYHOLE. It's a dramatic place. In here, it's pretty windy. But sun is creeping up, and I know the wind's the windiest right there as everything, all the air tries to get pushed through the KEYHOLE. So if I can get through that, it should be better. Happy to be here. Let's get some more clothes on and get out of here. Home stretch. That's the top. It's looking good. Psyched to be here. It's a beautiful place. Nothing else to do but go down. Go back to the bike, take a bike ride. Woo, bike ride! Alright, back at the trailhead. My coffee, made coffee. Why not? I got it. Got the rest of dinner from yesterday. Some cheap cheese, some cheap salami, and some cheap tacos. It's around 2. That's pretty good. I thought it was gonna end at around 4, but I decided to run back down, and that seemed to be a good idea. Everything went to plan. I'm psyched. Ain't nothing left except a 40-mile bike ride with 4,000 additional feet of elevation gain. I mean, that's no big deal. It's only gonna be night in 3 hours. Oh, I'm gonna take the overland road to James Canyon, and then go back up and over JODER because that was such a good shortcut, and then probably take the Boulder Valley left-hand trail where that says again, and then get a beer, drink a beer, make some beans and rice, and watch whatever terrible TV show I'm addicted to at the moment. Yeah, good Saturday night. Yeah, beans and rice. Sounds good. All right, later.